Hey there folks, my name is Saul and we're here at Autotek today, and you're wondering why we're looking at this 19,000 pound RV. We'll tell you what, did you know that here at Autotek, we fix everything? Now these folks are driving from the south, right? They made it all the way across the country from Louisiana, but they ran out of power here on a Sunday. Now at Saul's Autotek, not only did we get their vehicle repaired and back on the road on a Sunday, they told us they were driving to Steamboat Springs. We saw the nasty weather. We went ahead and put a brand new set of windshield wipers on them for free. Hey, if you've got a concern about your vehicle, you're on a road trip, it's too late, it's too big, they won't touch it, you got the wife and kids, the family, come and see us at Saul's Autotek. We run 365 days a year. We don't stop for anything. Just like the mailman, the rain, the sleet, the snow, nothing's going to stop us from helping you go. 303-290-9900. Whether you're just trying to get to work or you're driving with 15 teenagers across 15 states to get to a gymnastics competition on a Sunday, we've got your back. Come and see us.